Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 109, and we are waiting for a customer that just called us like an hour ago. She had an iPhone 6, I believe it's white. If I'm not mistaken, it's a gold iPhone, and she wanted to have it fixed. Today is August 13th, the Sunday, so I'm the only shop that is open right now, so in LA County, and so we kind of have that advantage for the customer to come to us instead of another shop, because she wanted to know if we can go to her or if she can come to us, and then she decided to come to us because she's not far from us. So we're just right now waiting for her to drop by so we can fix her phone and put another smile on another frown and just clean that off for her, pretty much. And that's about it, and we'll be back with you when the customer arrives, and we'll show you how it drops, and hopefully we'll show you the customer as well, just so you can see her own feedback of how she feels about the phone being fixed. So her phone being fixed and all. So we'll see you guys soon. Peace. Cut. Check it in, Cherry. Now you could mess with me. Check it out. Du bara chicklick eller heter det.
Check it chinno.
Här går botten hela den här.
Check off. Why is telephone mishta sensara? This phone has always been like that.
What?
From the very beginning.
And no one did anything about it?
No.
Because it worked.
It's a banner. That's just a American. Okay. First I gotta show the cracks. Okay. The boomerang from Instagram.
Gemero.